Hi there! Welcome to Scrap Tutorial Video Series. In this video, we're going to show you how you can search by LinkedIn groups on Sales Navigator and use Scrap Chrome extension to source leads and business emails. First, let's see how we can access a single Sales Navigator profile from a group search. Head to a Sales Navigator lead search page, then use the group filter. Open a profile from the results, then use the Scrap Chrome extension to source the email. The extension pop-up should provide the professional email and other business information of your prospect, which you can save to one of your lists. Second, let's see how you can enrich profile emails using the same group filter. Instead of opening a single profile, click on the Scrap Chrome extension icon directly from the results page, select a destination list, choose the number of profile pages to enrich, and hit launch. You can then access your leads' emails and information from the selected list. For more information on how to use Scrap, feel free to reach out to us at support@scrap.io.